Okay, that's great. And can you tell me about the services that they are offering?
Chrono AI offers services like voice agents, chatbots, and integrations with third party platforms to automate customer support and streamline business communications.
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you. If you have any other questions or need help with our services, just let me know.
Can you tell me what is your name?
My name is Claire, and I'm here to help you with any questions about Chrono AI.
Alright guys, so now we are just seeing a demo of an AI voice agent which is going to answer all of the incoming calls for my agency Chrono AI. And you know the main thing that lots of businesses are implementing AI voice agent because they know the power of AI voice agent. After implementing the AI agents into the business, they don't have to answer any kind of calls. Well, that was a basic AI voice agent just for like customer support part, but we can build a more advanced AI voice agent which is going to book the meeting. It can capture the lead. Even this one is for just the inbound calls. We can create another one for outbound calls which is going to make the calls, qualify the leads, book an appointment with them, and tell them about your company, recommend services, product, and lots of things. Alright, so here I am. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI voice agent for your business so that you don't have to answer any kind of calls from now. Okay, so that there are lots of things in this video. I'm going to cover many of things that how we are going to build it step by step. Even this is your first time that you are building an AI voice agent, you are not going to face any kind of problem because I'm going to break down everything for you. So without wasting any further time, let's start building it. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Mohit, founder of Chrono AI, my own automation agency where I help businesses to grow their business with the help of AI voice agent and AI chatbots. And well, we have integrated lots of AI voice agents into businesses that are currently working on real time, booking the appointment, calling the leads, qualifying them, and more. So if you want to work with me or you want me to build this agent for your business, then in the description there's my website link. From there you can just book a free call with me and then we can discuss how we are going to integrate these AI agents into your business. Now without wasting any further time, let's start building it. So the first thing is that we are going to use Vapi AI in this video because lots of people are saying to me, bro, why don't you just use Vapi AI? Because I was always making videos around Retail AI. Retail AI is another platform in which you can build AI agents, and in this video we are going to use Vapi AI. So Vapi AI is a platform in which we are going to build our agent. So first understand how AI voice agent actually works. First thing is that let's say for example I'm calling the AI agent. So AI agent is going to say, hello, how may I help you? Then I'm going to say, yeah, I wanted to know more about your business and whatever your service is. So what it is going to do, it is going to convert my voice into text. And for that, we are going to use DeepGram, and there are multiple providers for that, which is going to convert the voice into text. Then we are going to use LLM models and in simple language ChatGPT. There are lots of provider out there, but we are going to use ChatGPT for that so that we can generate a reply on the basis of your business. Then the reply is going to convert it into voice again. Let's say for example 11 labs or play HD. So it is going to convert the text into voice and voice can be heard to it. Like, yeah, we offered this blah blah blah. So this is exactly how we are voice agent work. Not a complex process, very simple. And well, you don't even need to focus on these kind of things because it is very easy to build it. Okay, so now you understand how AI voice agent work. Let's start building it. And if you don't have any account in Vapi AI, then sign up link is in the description. From there you can just sign up for free. And once you're going to sign up, you're going to see a dashboard like this one. And this is the dashboard of Vapi AI. Okay, so you can see there are a bunch of things here, and don't make it too complex. I'm going to break down everything for you. So in the left hand side you can see there are multiple things overview which is going to use for our analysis, and ignore that part. The next thing is assistant. This is the most important part in which we are going to create our agent. Then the next thing is workflow, ignore it, right now we don't need it. Phone number, from here we are going to connect the phone number with the SIP trunking, so just click on the phone number part. Then from here we can create a phone number, just click here, and we can import the phone number from multiple platforms. Like this one is a free Vapi number, then this is Vapi SIP trunking, this one is from Tulio. So whatever platform that you are using to buy a phone number, we can import it from it. Let's say Tulio is one of the best platform that we use. So we need the SIP trunking and the token and etc things to connect it. Then the next thing is the tools. Tools are basically used for the more complex parts, like booking the appointment with the agent, collecting the data and store it somewhere. So that's a little bit complex part. I'm not going to make it complex for you right now. This is my first video on Vapi AI, and this one video is for those people who are not sure about how AI agent actually work and how they can build it. Anyways, this is a file. From here we can upload our knowledge base, and knowledge base is nothing, it is just the brain of our AI agent. So basically, if you have any FAQs for your business or the details about your business, that can be good for our knowledge base. Even a website is good. Then this is squad. So squad is a feature where we can set up multiple AI voice agent, because right now we are using just one agent for one call, but we can set up multiple agents. Like one is going to handle the customer support part, then another one is going to help to book the appointment. Anyways, they offer free time, 1000 minutes is free in Vapi AI. So you can create an account, you are going to have 1000 minutes free, totally free, you don't need to pay anything. Okay, let's get back to our assistant section, and from here you can see bunch of things. First thing is that I'm going to create our assistant totally from scratch, so that you can have idea how you can create it too. Just click on the create assistant, then from here you can name it whatever you want to. So let's say YT test. Okay, then you can start from blank. They offer multiple templates too, like this one is customer support, this one is lead qualification, this one is for information collector, this one is for appointment scheduling. Let's say we are going to create it totally from blank, so select this one and just click on the create assistant. And once you are going to do it, our agent is created. You can see this is the name, and well, I'm going to explain you the latency, how it's actually going to work. This is the model, and right now we are using OpenAI GPT-4o cluster. So basically, the better the model is, the better our AI agent is going to be, because this is the one who is going to generate the reply. So just like the OpenAI, and I prefer using 4.1, because compared to 4.0, 4.1 is better. And yeah, well, this is the latency. Also we have to focus on the latency part too. 4.1 is for 700 milliseconds, and 4.0, this is a 4.0 cluster, which is 600 milliseconds. So latency, the more the latency is, the more the AI is going to take time to generate the reply. So we need to focus on the latency. The shorter the latency it, the better it is. But we are using GPT 4.1 because it is better compared to 4.0, not in terms of latency, but of course in terms of generating the good replies. And so just like this one, 4.1, and here we are. And this is the first message. So let's say this is going to be our first message. So if I'm going to call the AI agent, and it is going to say, hello, how may I help you? So let's say, hello, how may I help you? So this is going to be our first message, hello, how may I help you? This is a system prompt, which is one of the important thing. So I'm going to explain the system prompt later in this video, because system prompt is all we need to do in our agent right now. And well, from here we can select the file. File is nothing, it is knowledge base, as I explained you. So just select it from your Chrono AI knowledge base. Then this is a max token. A max token is basically how lengthy it is going to be the reply. So, and this is the temperature, and the less the temperature is, the more accurate the answer is going to be. But if it is going to be way too lesser, then AI is going to get confused like how to generate a reply. So let it be on 0.4, even 0.5 is good. And max token is good. We don't need way too lengthy replies, so 0.50 tokens is good. And this is a voice configuration, and from here we can select the voice. So they are offering multiple provider, just select the 11 labs, because this is one of the best. Even you can select PhD2, they are also offering good voices, but let's say 11 labs. And from here you can select the voices. But one more thing, as you know, like you just can't select any voice without hearing it. So in the community section, you can see in the left hand side there is a community section, and they offer the voice library. and from here you can just hear any voice you want through. Just select the provider from here, 11 Labs, PlayHD, Vapi, whatever you prefer to. And from here you can hear any kind of voice. Let's say I want the voice of female, and no, let's leave the accent part. So let's say
From
this
the
one.
rise and fall of empires to technological revolution.
Yeah, you can see. So from here you can just play around with it, whatever voice you want to, and then you can select it from there. There is one more thing to do it. You can just copy the ID from here. Okay, let's say Olivia. So I'm gonna copy the Olivia ID. You can copy it from here. Then just go to the assistant section and go to the voice configuration. Then from here select 11 Labs and click on the add voice ID manually, and then just paste it here, and here it is, Olivia. So this is what you can do. Then they are offering also the version. So 11 Labs, the best version is Flash v 2.5. So just like this one, this is one of the best version that 11 Labs is offering. And yeah, so that's the voice part. Then the next thing is the additional configuration. From here we can set the background noise, like few people want the background noise of office or like something like that. So you can just upload the background noise from here. They offer a default voice. You can upload the office, you can even turn it off, and you can upload the custom voice from the URL. But well, I prefer to turn it off, like it's kind of annoying. And then the next thing is stability. Let it be on default. 0.5 is good. Clarity is also good. Speed, you can play around with the speed, and well, the speed part is always depends on the voice, like whatever voice you are preferring. If it is too fast, then you can just do it slower from here, 0.9, 0.8. But if it's too slow, you can just increase it from here. Okay, so I'm not going to do that right now. Then just ignore all of this thing. Now this is important, what I was saying, transcriber, that we are going to convert our voice into a text. So we need a transcriber for that, so that we can convert the voice. Let's say I'm saying, yeah, I wanted to know about this. So AI voice agent is going to convert the voice into a text, so that the chat GPT can generate a reply. So this is a provider for that. Just select the deepgram. This is the best for transcriber, and it is all good. And Nova 3 is the latest model that they are offering, so it's all good. Then you can enable this one. This is also good. You don't need to do that. Then also ignore this one part. This is tools, which is basically used for more complex stuff like collecting the data, booking the appointment. And in this video we are not going to do that. I'm gonna create more videos like this one, and I have created advanced agents like booking appointment one for real estate companies and more. So if you want to watch them out, just in the description there's the link of the videos. You can watch it. Even in the I button there is link, so you can watch the videos if you want to build the more complex agent in retail AI. Then this is a predefined function, and you can enable this one. So right now we are giving the permission to AI to end the call. So if the conversation is ended, AI can run the end call function to end the call. This is a forwarding number. Let's say sometimes what happen actually, people don't want to talk to AI, so they are going to say no, connect me with a human agent, or connected with me your representative, or any kind of that stuff. So it is going to run the forward phone number, and then it is going to transfer the call to that number. So if I'm going to enter my number, and if I say to AI agent that I don't want to talk to you, I want a human agent, so it is going to run the forward phone number, and then it's going to call me, and now we are connected with the user. Then this is the custom functions. Again, this one is used for that complex stuff. Then this is a summary. If you want the summary in kind of specific way, like how was the overall call and overall, so this is a prompt for that. Right now we don't need it, but if you want to analyze the call in some particular ways, then you can just use this one. Then this is a privacy, just ignore it, it's all good. You can, if you want to record the audio, just enable this one, and yeah, it's all good there. So this is the wait time for AI agent before it is going to start speaking. And otherwise, if you're going to make it to lesser, then it is going to interrupt the human user or human agent. Because let's say if I'm speaking and even I took a break for like 0.5 second, it is going to speak. So the better it is if you're going to do it around 0.5 or 0.6. Yeah, so not do it too much, otherwise it is going to increase the latency. And yeah, this is good. Then this is a voicemail detection. Of course, in inbound calls we don't need that, but if you are making the outbound calls with your agent and the user is not available, so you can just turn it on. And then you can just add a message there, so it is going to leave a particular message for the voicemail. Then this is the stop speaking plan. So this one is all good. Again, this one is good, set it on default, you don't need that. If someone is silent and it is not saying anything at all in the call, so AI is going to end the call after 30 seconds. This is the one thing. Then the next thing is maximum duration. What happen actually, we can set the limit on our call so that the human agent cannot talk too much. So you can just set it on like 100,000 seconds. So just do it around so you can do it around 1100 seconds, it is also good. And this one is enable keypad input. If you want to, if you are making outbound calls and with specific purposes, then you can enable this one, otherwise it's all good. And this is messaging. Again, this one is used for the advanced system, like right now we don't need it, but we need this one thing. This is a voicemail message. Again, it is for outbound calls. And this is the end call message. Right now it is on goodbye, and you can add specific message if you want to. Anyway, now the main part is left, which is our system prompt. So let me break down how you can create a perfect system prompt for your business. Okay, so here it is. You can see this is the system prompt. Well, there is one more thing. Let me break it down for you. From there you can check it out the latency, but this one is for the web call. Of course, we are not going to make the web call. We are going to make the Tulio calls. So just click on the Tulio, and this is the actual latency. So just focus on this, and from here you can test the agent on your web. And this is a chat. You can also chat it manually rather than testing it on voice. Always just you can use this one button to test it on LLM models. And from here you can publish it. So just click on the publish button, then your agent is published. Then from here, if you don't want to test it manually, if you want to AI to test it out and overall create a summary around it, then you can use this one. And from here you can just create a new test from there, and then AI is going to test the agent. You don't have to test it out. Well, this is the system prompt, in which you can see this is a summary. You are clear. So clear is basically the name of the agent, Chrono AI customer support voice agent. So we are determining what is the role of our AI voice agent. And well, if you want the prompt of this, so the prompt is in the description. From there you can just check it out the prompt if you want to, so you can have the overall idea how it's going to work. Anyways, so this is a role which is going to handle the incoming calls, and overall the role of a variable agent. And this is the identity and purposes. So first of all, okay, let me change the name from here. You are clear. Okay, a 24/7 customer support voice agent representative Chrono AI. Then this is the overall goal, to tell them about the voice agent chatbot integration and whatever the query that they have. This is the tone, how he or she needs to act. Then this is voice and persona, which is basically the personality of our AI voice agent. So you can play around with it, like you can see this is friendly but business like voice. So this is the overall stuff. Then there are speech characteristic, like pacing, language, verbal cues. So this will make the conversation better, if we are going to use the back channeling words. So basically AI is going to sounds like more human and more professional. It is going to say words like okay, yeah, all right, let me check. So these are the words which will make the conversation better and as human as possible, so that the user cannot identify that it is an AI or an actual human. Then this is the most important thing, which is conversation flow. The first thing is the agent. Hello, thanks for calling Chrono AI support. I'm clear. How may I assist you today? So this is the first message. So whatever the user is going to describe, may I want to know this, and I'm facing this problem, or maybe I want to book an appointment with you guys. So this is the overall answer. And the next thing is the information gathering. It is going to gather the information like which services you are using, our voice agent, chatbot. So this one is for the customer support part, the already existing customer that I have. So overall you can see this is the services that they are going to be used. So what are the errors that they are facing, what is happening. So overall we are teaching the AI how she or he needs to act. Then there are some follow-ups to make the conversation better. Then this is the closing for the call. Thanks for calling Chrono AI support. If any other question come up, feel free to reach out. And this is the one thing. Then this is the common FAQs. So if you are using the FAQs in your knowledge base, that is also great. But if you are not, then you can also add up in our system prompt. So that is also going to work. And there are some more response guidelines to make the conversation better. You can see already reply in single conscious sentence that directly answer the question without unnecessary details. This is the main thing. Then one question at a time to keep the call focused. Summarize action. So you can either play around with it, make it more playful, or you can make it either more professional, because in the countries like USA people usually prefer playful tones, but in the countries like UAE and areas like Dubai, people are more professional and formal there. So we have to focus on that kind of stuff, how we are going to build the agent, so that we don't miss out on anything. Anyways, the system prompt is in the description, so from there you can just check it out and you can play around with it. You can build it for your business. Even you can use ChatGPT for that. So you're going to have your own system prompt, then integrate it here, and then you're all done with your own AI voice agent. And that's all we need to do here in Vapi AI. This is exactly how you can use your own AI voice agent for your business. Don't forget to connect it with a phone number, and once you're going to do it, you can just check it out, call it on that number. Even you can test it on a web call. Alright, so that's enough for today. In this video I explained you how you can use Vapi AI, overall the basic stuff. In our next video I'm gonna show you how you can build advanced voice agent for your business. So if you want to know more, if you want to learn more about these things, then just click on the bell icon, press it on all. So once I'm going to upload the video, you can have the notification. And soon I'm gonna make lots of automations on Vapi AI, retail AI, and lots of videos are coming, so stay tuned. And if you want to work with me, then in the description there's my website link. As I told you, you can book a free call with me, and then we can discuss how we can build an AI voice agent for your business with specific needs for your business and whatsoever. So that's all for today. I'm gonna see you in another video. Until then, bye.